Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install 100% completed game file save on GTA 5 Enhanced. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go and write on Google GTA 5 Enhanced 100% completed save. And then you need to scroll down until you see Nexus Mods and click here. It's nexusmods.com, GTA 5 mods and 1207. Then you need to go to files, then you need to download file. I already did this, so as you can see here, there's file from me here. You just need to then extract all to desktop. It really doesn't matter. And then you need to press, just leave this open here. Then you just need to press Windows and E. And then you need to go to documents. Then you need to look for Rockstar Games. Then go to GTA 5 Enhanced, profiles, and then you hit your profile here. Then go to GTA 5 Enhanced and drag and drop this file here, right? And then launch the game. So guys, I'm in game, and if I go and to game thing here, you can see that completed 100%. And if this do not load for you, then you just need to press load game and then make sure to load this file here and it will work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more.